Hello, what brings you here today?
I have a sore throat and a headache.
How long have you felt this way?
For 3 days.
Do you have a fever?
A little, yes.
Okay, I'll check your temperature. It's 38 degrees.
That's high, right?
Yes, a little high. I think you have the flu.
Oh no. What should I do?
Drink lots of water, rest, and take this medicine twice a day.
Can I go to work?
Better to stay home for 3 days.
All right. Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Hello. I'd like to get a library card.
Of course. May I see your ID?
Here you go.
Thank you. Please fill out this form.
Okay. Finished.
Great. Here is your card. You can borrow up to 5 books.
Perfect. How long can I keep them?
For 2 weeks. After that, there's a late fee.
Got it. Do you have English learning books?
Yes, they're on the second floor.
Wonderful. And is there Wi-Fi here?
Yes, free for all members.
Thank you so much. Excuse me, where can I find the bread?
Aisle 3 on the left.
Thanks. And do you sell rice?
Yes, it's in aisle 5.
Perfect. Do you have a loyalty card?
Yes, would you like to apply for one?
Maybe next time.
No problem. Anything else?
Yes. Where are the restrooms?
At the back, near the exit.
Thank you. Oh, and do you accept Apple Pay?
Yes, we do.
Great. I'll use that at the checkout. Taxi.
Where to?
To the train station, please.
Sure, hop in. Do you have luggage?
Just this small bag.
No problem. It'll take about 15 minutes.
Okay. How much will it cost?
Around $12, depending on traffic.
That's fine. Do you take card?
Yes, but cash is faster.
I only have a card.
No worries. Card is okay.
Great. Could you drive a little faster? My train leaves soon.
I'll do my best. Don't worry.
Thank you.
Hi, welcome to the gym. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Great. Do you want to join for a day, a month, or longer?
Just 1 month for now.
Okay. Do you need help with the machines?
Yes, please. I've never used them before.
No problem. Let's start with the treadmill.
Okay,
You can adjust the speed and incline here.
got it. And where are the lockers?
Over there, next to the showers.
Perfect. Thank you. Good morning. I'd like to open an account.
Sure. Do you want a savings or a checking account?
A checking account, please.
All right. May I see your passport and proof of address?
Here they are.
Thank you. Do you want a debit card with this account?
Yes, please.
Okay. The card will arrive in about a week.
That's fine. Can I also use online banking?
Yes, we'll give you login details today.
Perfect. Is there a minimum balance?
Yes, you must keep at least $50.
Understood. And what are the opening hours?
We're open Monday to Friday, 9 to 5.
Great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Good evening. How many people?
Just one.
Right this way, please. Here's the menu.
Thank you. What do you recommend?
Our pasta and grilled chicken are very popular.
I'll have the pasta with tomato sauce.
Would you like something to drink?
Just water, please.
Still or sparkling?
Still water.
Perfect. Anything else?
Do you have dessert?
Yes. We have ice cream, cheesecake, and apple pie.
I'll try the cheesecake.
Very good. It will be ready soon.
Thank you. By the way, do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do.
Great.
Hello, I'd like to check in.
Of course. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, under the name Nguyen.
Let me check. Yes, here it is. 3 nights in a single room.
That's correct.
May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Do you need 1 or 2 keycards?
Just one, please.
All right. Breakfast is included. It's served from 7 to 10 a.m. on the ground floor.
Great. Is there Wi-Fi in the room?
Yes, the network name and password are on this card.
Perfect. Oh, where is the elevator?
Just behind you, on the left. Your room is on the 5th floor.
Thank you. One more thing. Can I get a wake-up call tomorrow at 6:30 a.m.?
Certainly. We'll call your room.
That's very helpful. Thanks a lot.
My pleasure. Enjoy your stay. Hi, what can I get for you today?
A latte, please.
Small, medium, or large?
Medium.
Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Anything else?
Yes, a blueberry muffin.
Great choice. For here or to go?
To go.
No problem. That will be $5.50.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Your order will be ready in a moment.
Thanks. Hello? Excuse me.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I'm looking for the check-in desk for Flight 342 to Chicago.
It's right here. Do you have your passport and ticket?
Yes, here they are.
Thank you. Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, one suitcase and this backpack.
The backpack can be your carry-on. Please place the suitcase on the scale.
Okay. Is it too heavy?
No, it's 19 kilos. The limit is 23, so you're fine.
Great. What time does boarding start?
Boarding begins at 9:15 at gate 12. It's about a 10-minute walk from here.
Perfect. How long is the flight?
About 3 hours and 20 minutes.
Do you serve food on the plane?
Yes, a small meal and drinks are included. You can also buy snacks.
That's good to know. Can I choose a seat?
Yes. Would you like a window or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please.
Done. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you. Is there a cafe near gate 12?
Yes, there's a small one next to the bookstore. They sell coffee and sandwiches.
Wonderful. Do you know if there's free Wi-Fi in the airport?
Yes, connect to airport free Wi-Fi. No password needed.
Perfect. And where are the restrooms?
Just down the hall on the left.
One last question. What's the boarding procedure?
First, families with children and passengers needing help, then rows from the back to the front.
Okay, I'll wait for my row.
Good. Please arrive at the gate at least 30 minutes before departure.
Thank you so much for your help.
No problem. Have a safe flight.